Walk with me.
A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.
But I feel our journey has been way longer than 1,000 miles.
And we'll go on for another 1,000 miles.
The good news is our only direction is up.
We pivot, we push forward, we learn.
Seizing opportunity.
Seizing our future.
Being the best? Maybe.
Why not? The sound of shattered glass ceilings is our soundtrack.
Our beating drum.
But we have so much more to accomplish.
We have bigger tables to build.
To fit more seats, or you can come sit at our table.
We have more allies to make.
Because this is no fun to do alone.
We are looking for potential.
And pulling up the best and brightest in our profession.
It can be lonely at the top.
So we build our strength in numbers.
And we can't be stopped from reaching the greatest heights.
Let's reap the rewards of our hard work.
Let's evolve, elevate, and excel together.
Walk with me.
Walk with me.
Walk with me.
While we make great strides in the accounting and finance professions, we must also celebrate our accomplishments and care for ourselves.
And at the same time, never rest on our laurels.
Together, we're creating a profession that's inclusive and equitable for all.
And when we work together, we are unstoppable.
Welcome to the 2023 Women's Global Leadership Summit.
Let's evolve,
elevate,
and excel
together.
Together.